In today's video, I am going to teach you how to explore the Pepperstone trading platform. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are signed in, take a moment to review the main workspace. This is where you will spend most of your time while using the platform. You will see the key sections laid out on the screen, including the watch list, chart area, toolbars, and trading panels. Next, go to your watch list. This section displays the trading instruments that are available on your account. Browse through the list and get familiar with the different markets you can access. When you are ready, double-click on any instrument in the watch list. This will open its chart in the main chart area so you can begin exploring price activity. At the top of the platform, look at the main toolbar. This area gives you access to important functions such as New Order and Add Indicator. These tools are commonly used when analyzing the market or preparing to place trades. For now, simply locate them and understand where they are found. Now move to the chart itself. Right-click anywhere on the chart to open the Chart Options menu. This menu usually includes settings and display features that help you adjust how the chart appears and behaves. Explore the available options so you become more comfortable with the chart controls. After that, open the Trade tab at the bottom of the platform. This section allows you to view your trading activity, including any open positions, pending orders, and account-related information, depending on your setup. It is an important area for monitoring what is happening in your account. Then take a look at the panels on the right side of the platform. If they are available, you may see tools such as Market Hours and Calendar. These panels provide useful market information and can help you stay aware of trading sessions and upcoming events. Next, click the main menu icon, shown as the three-line symbol. This menu gives you access to additional platform features and the settings area. Open it and review the available sections so you know where to find more tools later. As you move through the platform, explore the different menus and tools carefully, but do not make any changes. The goal here is to become familiar with the layout and understand how the main areas are organized. Finally, confirm that you can navigate through the watch list, chart area, toolbar, trade tab, right side panels, and main menu with confidence. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.